Hey folks, it's Mr. Robin here. I'm going to demonstrate the decomposition of sodium bicarbonate. So sodium bicarbonate is just a name for baking soda, but we use lab grade stuff just because it's more pure and there aren't any sort of anti-caking agents. So it's pretty much just sodium bicarbonate. And what we're going to do is we're going to portion that sodium bicarbonate into what we call an evaporating dish. And this can take really high temperatures and not crack. We've also got a hot plate, not chemistry approved, but this is just me in the lab. And we also have a balance, and this balance is precise to the hundredths of a gram. All right, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get my weigh dish, and I'm going to get a mass on it. So let's pull up our balance and see how much the weigh dish weighs. Sorry, the evaporation dish. So it'll jump around a little bit, especially with some air flowing through the room. We could call that about 52.40, and that's really important. Oh, it's going down a little bit. We'll call it 52.40 though. So write that down. Any one of these numbers really. And now we're going to put some sodium bicarbonate in it. All right. Let's add some sodium bicarbonate. Let's put a lot in here. And I don't need to wear gloves because it's a pretty safe material. This is what it looks like. Let's see if I can focus it a little better. There you go. It's a white powdery substance. And the mass with the weigh dish and the sodium bicarbonate is about 82.13. We'll call it 1.3. There's a breeze in the room, so it's going to affect it a little bit. Now what we do is we take this off the balance and we're going to put it on the hot plate. I make sure all the flammable things are away from it. And I'm going to go ahead, put it on the hot plate, and turn this on. It's going to take a little while for it to do anything. Let's start a timer, shall we? Let's time how long we're going to be heating it. So right now, we're at 0 time. I'm going to start my timer. And I can already feel the heat. Don't want to get the camera too close because I might end up melting it. There we go. We'll see if I end up melting the camera. This will probably take about 15 minutes. But I want you guys to make some observations. Oh, I think we saw some bubbles starting to come out. I might be wrong. Could be the camera melting. Just so you know, I'm recording. Hopefully you didn't say anything weird. Usually you put more sodium bicarbonate, don't you? Don't think I've seen bubbles just yet, really.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanted to see the bubbles.
I think you're gonna have to stir it to see the bubbles. You've got crust on top.
Oh, okay. Duh.
Break through it and it should boil.
Looks like the top is getting crusty, so we're going to need to break it up.
What did you see the bubbles?
No, I didn't. Well, it's being recorded, so hopefully we'll be able to see it.
It was up in this neighborhood.
Okay. I'm just hoping not to melt this camera.
Interesting.
Something that you're like, oh, I
hadn't thought of that. Good morning.
Hi, guys.
We're recording.
Oh, perfect. Is Ashley, do you want me to bring Ashley into this for to watch?
Is she remote today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, that'd be great.
Okay. Yeah, I'll put it on. Yes, it just nice. That's kind of a cool recorder.
The camera?
As long as it doesn't melt.
Yeah. I didn't even know it was
in?
like a recorder.
Oh yeah, it's really getting crusty.
So the water that's
I saw some. Yeah, I saw a bubble come up there. Hopefully,
the water that's produced deposits in the upper layers that are cooler.
Yeah,
so
that makes sense.
It locks them together. So
it probably does it condense up there and then lock them together. Or?
Okay. So I don't know how to do this. So actually, we're just running experiments today. I don't know if you can see this. But this is the,
Baking
well, I'll
soda.
let you explain. The sodium bicarbonate decomposition.
And I'll share this video with you. I'm recording it right now. So we just put some sodium bicarbonate in a dish here. And we turn this on full tilt and it will form a little crust on top. You have to break up a little bit, but you can see bubbles of gas being released through the solid. So that's where it should lose some of its mass. So we'll take the mass afterwards and probably calculate how much was produced. I think that's part of the idea.
What is it? So is the mass it's losing water?
Water and carbon dioxide.
Okay, so it's going to lose all the water, all the carbon dioxide, and it's only going to be sodium acetate?
Sodium carbonate.
Oh, sodium carbonate.
It loses the bicarbonate part?
Loses carbon dioxide and water.
Yeah, carbon dioxide and water.
So all that's going to be left is sodium carbonate at the end, which ironically I found out is washing soda.
Why is that ironic?
Well, I just didn't know. Okay, so
Interesting use of the word ironic.
I know. Okay, not the use of the word ironic.
It's interesting.
You know, Tom is
I don't know if it's bad.
actually.
I'm just saying.
Oh, actually, I don't know if you can hear any of this.
We're giving Tom
Yeah.
crap. And hopefully my students, when they see this video, appreciate that as well. Or I can record another.
Oh, they can hear us?
Yeah, that's what I was
Oh,
saying.
no.
We're recording. There's a microphone
Oh,
on it.
no.
But that's okay. That's okay. I could probably even take, I can re-record it. I just want to make sure the setup's okay.
Yeah.
Come on, our blooper reel might be a winner on YouTube.
Yeah, so this has been going for about 10 minutes now, and I think we want to give it 15 to complete.
Do you think it would be better if we do less? That way it goes quicker.
Oh, look at that.
Once
You
we-
can,
if we're
do you
gonna
see
be
those
using
bubbles
Yeah.
coming out?
Issues. We want
Okay.
to use, I think it was 16.8 grams.
I know,
And
right?
you do have more.
More.
16.8 grams is
No,
less
you
than
can
that.
Oh,
see
yeah.
here.
So if we use 16.8 grams, which is 0.2 of a mole, we should be able to predict that the sodium carbonate is exactly 1/10 of a mole, and we'll be able to predict the mass we expect to see in the beaker,
So we
which is the point.
Oh,
have
you
to
can see
use-
those gases
that
coming
much.
You
up.
want to
It's
use
so
that
cool.
starting point. You can scale it up or down.
So will this take like 50 minutes?
Oh no,
You see those bubbles?
Yeah.
Isn't
do
that
you,
so
Do
cool?
you see the, I don't know if you can see the,
You
You see
will
the
when I
bubbles?
record it.
I think so. Yeah.
let me do it again. It looks like
Yep.
dust bubbles.
okay, so the weakness of this one is a white powder makes a white powder.
Right.
The strength of it is the mass results are quite dependable. It is,
It's
and you
really-
can see the gases escaping.
I mean, I think the kids would have fun. Oh, the kids aren't going to be in person for this, so you're just doing this.
Well, this was one of the things I was asked to do. So however we fit it in. That's so cool.
This would be on Wednesday, right?
I have to look at the plan, but I think you're right.
Thursday, I'm not sure.
Well, Thursday was the all the metal purification problems, like review.
Okay.
Or I guess we could switch them up.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't told you. One of the other decompositions that is industrially important, the second most produced chemical in the United States is cement.
Uh-oh.
Step
I
one
think I
is
got my
decomposition.
camera a little warm. Mr. Alvin got his camera a little warm. It's okay.
I just love how the technology people, like, we have to explain ourselves. Yeah, I was just feeding the camera.
I hear it's worse in the military. If something gets damaged, you have to justify its replacement.
All right.
Funny.
Hopefully it'll go back to normal after it cools.
Well, I'm sure you're a good role model for that.
That's happening here, like the formulas.
Yeah, the NA, NA8? Is it NA8CO3? Or-
Yep.
Right?
Good?
Yeah.
Yep.
And then-
On Tim's here, but I know he's got something like that.
So we're going to get the final mass here.
I'd like to show you what.
It looks like it's 71.90. 489.
Do you want to see this, Patrick?
Just so I'm trying to film. All right, 71.86 we'll call it.
So is that the